In this video, I will show you how to get multi-snap option back on Snapchat. So in order to get it back, what you can do is you can head over and first update your Snapchat. You can head over right here to your gear icon, and then from in there, just set up or just look for the option called update. If you can find it right here, you can also head over right here to your Play Store and search right here for Snapchat. Now from in there, if there's an update button like this one, just head over and click on it. So this error right here actually happens because your Snapchat is not updated. Next thing that you can do is you can head over and go to your Snapchat camera. Let's go over right here to our Snapchat. And onto your Snapchat camera, you can head over and then open it. And you should be able to see in here now the multi-snap option enabled. So that's how you get back multi-snap option in Snapchat.